October 28 until November 1st.
Yes.
Ayan. Alright.
So
Okay.
yung Halloween Shack, ito ay ipe-prepare ng bawat, meron tayong 4 na SBU. So yung SBU natin is
The Strategic Business Unit.
the Strategic Business Unit ng
Okay.
SBMA. So sila yung maglalaban-laban.
Okay.
Susundin pa rin natin yung nakaraan nating grouping. Nakarang grouping doon
Yeah.
sa mini Olympics natin. Yung meron tayong red group,
Red Group.
which is composed of the chairman and administrator group, plus the law enforcement department.
Yellow.
And the yellow group is the support services group and fire department. Under the blue group is the regulatory, business and investment, aviation and maritime groups.
Alright.
And under green group is the public services group.
Okay.
So sila yung maglalaban.
4 na SBUs.
Sila yung mag-aayos doon sa shack na ilalagay natin sa harapan ng legenda.
So, to cut the story short, 4 na iba't ibang strategic business unit magtatayo ng sort of like their version of the haunted house, parang gano'n.
Yes.
Or horror shack or Halloween shack, parang gano'n.
Kung sino ang pinakapangit,
Pinaka-nakakatakot.
pinakamapangit na maganda, o pinakamaganda na pangit, sila yung mananalo.
Okay. So, it will be judged
Yes,
based on different criteria, of course.
Criteria tayo dyan, of course. So, maliban doon, meron pa rin tayong Halloween costume, no?
Bukod pa doon, Halloween costume.
Halloween costume na meron dalawang category. Ito yung kids and the adults. Sa kids category is yung, siyempre, fantasy. Yung
fantasy. Strictly, hindi sila pwedeng mag-horror.
Yes,
fantasy lang dapat.
Pero kailangan ng mga kasali lamang dito, yung mga relatives ng mga SBMA
mga anak,
employees.
pamangkin, apo.
Pamangkin.
So this is strictly SBMA employees only?
Yes, wala po tayong mga
employees of the agency.
Okay. Outsider.
So that means
adult naman,
mga SBMA employees
kailangan SBMA employees lang din.
Alright. Okay.
Horror naman ang kanilang
horror.
Yes.
Horror for adults, fantasy for kids.
Yes.
The Halloween costume contest is on October 30. Na doon pa rin gaganapin sa Halloween Shack. By the way, saan exactly yung Halloween Shack natin na itatayo, mga ilalagay?
Mismo doon sa harapan ng Legenda Hotel.
The former Legenda Hotel.
On right wing, the main entrance, then the left wing, and the what is the other one?
Sa driveway.
Yeah. Okay. So, would you? How about you, sir? Would you like to tell us about the maybe the criterias and for the judging and the? Yeah.
Okay, yung sa criteria, I think we're still finalizing yung sa criteria. In addition to what Mr. Venus said, yung legenda will be dressing this into creepy, parang haunted. Instead ng haunted house, it will be an haunted hotel. So this will be open sa public viewing din.
Okay.
So
aside from the different SBUs competing, pwedeng manood, makitingin yung mga that's
pwedeng
nice.
magpa-selfie doon, magpa-photo ops. Okay. So this will be divided into 4 groups nga. Sinabi ni Mr. Rino, yung red, yellow, green team. So kanya-kanyang decoration yun, sa Rino. Tapos, yung sa Halloween costume na sinabi niya, this will be exclusive for the kids and adults lang. SPMA relatives, pwede po. So, yung sa kids, para sa fantasy lang, and then sa mga adult, para sa mga horror costume naman siya.
Katatakutan.
Yes, and
nice.
nga pala, on October 30, the same day, there will be a food parade. Gaganapin to from Seaport papunta ng Legenda Hotel.
From the Seaport to the Legenda Hotel. Kung saan yung pinaka venue natin. For the event. Ayan. Okay. So, what are the prizes? Do we have the prizes already?
Ayan,
I think still being scrutinized right now? Or?
I think si Mr. Rino makakasagot niyan kasi alam ko mataas yan.
Meron naman tayong mga pampalubag kahit pa paano sa mga mananalo, no? Pampalubag na siyempre, alam naman natin lahat ay mag-e-effort.
Yeah, prices are just secondary.
For the Halloween Shack, ang prices dito for the SBU,
the best Halloween Shack.
The best Halloween Shack is proposed, napag-usapan namin last Friday is...
So, hindi pa final?
Hindi pa final, subject for approval ng ating chairman.
Okay.
Chairman, 50,000.
50,000.
Then the rest...
It's a group effort naman kasi.
The rest 3 SBU is consolation
Prizes.
10,000 each.
Tagti 10,000
So sigurado na yun, sigurado na lang may winners lahat.
Siguradong may matatanggap lahat, no?
Yeah.
Pero ang approved pa lang na talagang price ng for the best Halloween shop is 30,000.
30,000.
Dinagdagan lang namin last Friday, nag-meeting kami.
Para to make it bigger.
Para lahat mag-effort talaga. Magpapangit ng kanilang shop.
Yeah. Magpapangit talaga.
Yung pinakapangit siya yung
pinakapangit siya mananalo eh.
Sa Halloween lang nangyayari yan eh.
Sa Halloween costume naman, yung sa ating kids is
sa costume, okay.
3,000 ng first champion. Then the first runner-up is 2,000 and the second runner-up is 1,000.
1,000, yeah.
For the
adults,
5,000. For the champion,
5.
First runner-up is 2,000. 3,000.
3,000.
Then second runner-up is 2,000.
2,000.
Plus
okay.
5 consolation prizes, 1,000 each.
Okay. Nice.
So, ba tataasan lang sa Rino yung sa decoration lang?
Yes.
So, yung costume as is siya?
As is pa rin, as is.
Anyways, prizes are just secondary. It's all for the fun naman talaga, the main game. And the experience, the participation, syempre naman. Yan. Okay, so anything else you guys would like to add about the Halloween event that we're gonna be doing here inside the Subic Bay Freeport? I'm so excited about this.
Yes, DJ
Magtatakutan tayo eh.
We just like to invite the public na starting October 28, yung haunted hotel natin doon.
It's open for everybody.
Yes, open sa public na yun for viewing. So starting sa gabi ba or the whole day ng the whole day of 28 to November 1. Basta November 28 to November 1, pwede nang puntahan ng mga tao yun.
I'm curious mga sir, pag pumunta ba doon yung mga, kunyari yung public bumisita doon, may mga mananakot ba sa kanila? Like habulin sila?
Yes, there will be a human intervention dito.
Meron. Yeah. Nice, masaya.
Kasi kasama sa judging yun.
Yung kung paano ka nanakot ng mga...
Exactly.
Yeah.
Meron yun.
Pag merong hinimatay, malaking points kagad yun for you.
Sagot ni Sir Rino.
Mas malaki ang points ng mga talagang totoong human intervention.
Yeah, nice. That's nice. I'm thinking of inviting my neighbor sana dyan. Kaya lang, baka yung nananakot ang matakot doon sa neighbor ko. Kaya wag na lang. Biro lang. Okay. Alright. So, again, anything else you would like to add? Baka may mga gusto kayo dagdag for everybody's knowledge.
Shock and Halloween costume contest, meron din tayong biggest delegation.
Biggest delegation award.
For every SBU na meron pinakamalaking delegation na pupunta. So, sa SBU, total head count ang ating pag-uusapan dito.
This is during the parade or all throughout from day 1 to...
From before and after the event.
So may attendance lagi before and after.
Mag-start tayo yung attendance is mag-start yan ng alas 4. So mag-e-end ng 4:45 para sa registration. So para doon mabibilang natin yung total head count. After the event, magkakaroon pa rin uli ng attendance. Kung sino yung mga nag-sign during the registration on pre-registration
and opening,
sila rin yung dapat pipirma after the event. Kasi kung hindi sila, kung yun yung mga taong dumating lang doon na during the event, during the
duration, wala na.
Program proper, hindi na sila kasama sa bilang ng total delegation.
Okay, so tandaan nyo po yan. That's very important, ha?
Yes.
Kailangan malaman nyo. Parang ano yan, correct minus wrong.
Yes, another thing is, kailangan kung anong kulay ng kanilang SBU,
yun yung suot.
Yun ang suot nilang damit.
Okay.
Kung hindi sila magsusuot ng kanilang kulay na damit, hindi sila kasama sa bilang.
Okay. Alright. Good to know.
May prize to Sir Rino, di ba?
May prize din yung
yes, may
biggest
prize
delegation.
yan. Ang prize ng biggest delegation is 20,000.
Oh, okay.
Maximum of 20,000. Depende yan doon sa kanilang, kung 100% ang kanilang total head count from pre-registration to post-registration. So,
depende yung price. So, maaari pang lumaki.
Hindi, yung maximum
yun.
20,000. Pwede pang bumaba yun kung halimbawa during the pre-registration is siyempre 100% yan. Then after the event is marami nang nabawas. So by vis-a-vis pre-registration, no, yung kanilang ang kanilang magiging premyo. Meron tayong table of table
basis for the prizes. Ayan.
Okay, ano? Kung 100% to 90% ang kanilang
premyo,
total head count, no, before and after the event, 20,000 maximum
ang kanilang premyo. Ayan,
kung 89.99% to from 80 to 89.99%, ang kanilang total head count 15,000 lang.
15,000.
So from 79.99 below, 10,000 lang makukuha nila.
Okay.
Kasi nagbabago yung kung during the pre-registration, after the event is marami nang umalis.
Yeah, we're talking delegation here.
Yes.
So head count, number ng tao. Ayan. Okay, that's nice. So mark your calendars, people, yung mga mahilig sa Halloween takutan. Yung mga ganyan. A lot of people likes this kind of thing, di ba? They're into this kind of thing. Mark your calendars. Mag-uumpisa na ng October
29.
Meron ng Halloween shack na nakatayo.
Yes.
October 29 may takutan na. 28 meron na. May nakatayo na yung shack.
Yes.
Pwede nang bisitahin. So lahat po kayo nakikinig, inimbitahan po namin kayo. Visit the former Legenda Hotel. Yung sa front area nun, sa facade area niya. Tama ba? Yan. Doon po kayo pupunta if you wanna check out, if you wanna experience the Halloween takutan here inside the Subic Bay Freeport, courtesy of course of all the SBMA employees. Ayan. Right. So excited for that. Okay. So si Miss what's your name again? Sorry.
Clarice po.
Si Miss Clarice naman, she's gonna promote something. Basically, invite niya rin kayo, yung mga nakikinig ngayon. Sige, go ahead, Miss Clarice.
Yes po.
Yeah.
Ito po yung 2015 calendar of events po ng SBMA Tourism.
Okay.
So, from October 18 to 23, 7 a.m. onwards, meron po tayong 23rd National Students Convention. Bali, ang organizer po is School of Tomorrow Philippines.
Alright.
So,
18 to 23 of October.
yes po. 3,000 delegates po from all over the Philippines were gathered po to compete different events.
Okay. Alright.
Then,
Dito
October
yan.
20 to 21, 5:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. It is the Integrated Health and Physical Fitness Test Program. The organizer is Philippine National Police, Olongapo City.
Okay.
Then, gaganapin po siya sa Remy Field.
Alright.
Then, October 21, Public Speaking and Social Media Workshop.
Okay.
It is open to public po.
Open for everybody.
Yes,
sa
po.
mga gusto mag-participate.
Organizer po is SB Hats.
Alright.
The next is the Fashion for a Cause.
Fashion for a
Yes
Cause.
po,
Which we
October
have the
24.
big poster here. Yeah.
5 p.m. po. Ayala Mall, Harbor Point po ang
Okay.
organizer natin.
Alright.
Then, October 24 to 25, Tri-United 3 Exhibit Triathlon. So, the organizer is Run, Bike, Swim Incorporated.
Okay.
The next is October 30, 4th Breast Cancer Awareness Month Celebration po. Olongapo City Medical Society of SBMA po ang ating organizer. 4
Okay.
p.m. to 6 p.m. po siya.
Alright.
The next is Oktoberfest Save My Bay Lighthouse Marina Resort,
October
October 30.
30. Ayan.
Yes.
Okay.
And next po is SB Hats po ulit ang organizer natin. Bali, October Family Fest with fire dancers, live bands, and entertainment.
Okay.
7 p.m. onwards po.
Okay.
Then, Halloween event, Cats in the Hats Magic Trip, Lighthouse Marina Resort, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m.
Okay.
Then, last po for October is Venetia Oktoberfest.
Venetia
Yes
Oktoberfest.
po. Subic Beringer Hotels and Resort Incorporated po ang ating organizer, 7 p.m. to 2 a.m.
At Venetia. Ayan.
Yes po.
Okay.
Then for November naman po, Thanksgiving celebration. 22nd anniversary celebration po ng Royal Duty Free Shop.
November
8. That is
Ayan.
November 8.
Okay.
And end of the year series 2. The organizer is the Lighthouse Marina Resort. November 14 po siya.
Okay.
Then awarding ceremonies, 10 outstanding Freeport workers po. 2 p.m. at Subic Bay Arts Center, November 18.
All right.
Then on November 20 naman, SBMA Tourism Department Anniversary Celebration.
Okay.
Kick-off and launching of Christmas celebration, lighting up the SBMA Giant Christmas Tree.
Alright. Saan situated yung Christmas tree natin? Doon ulit sa boardwalk, ano?
Yes
Am
po,
I right?
boardwalk po ulit.
And when is that again? November
20 po.
20. Ayan, lalight up yung giant Christmas tree natin. Okay?
Next is End of the Year Series 3, The Lighthouse Marina Resorts, November 12. And last po for November is Million Run 3, which is organized by Philippine Red Cross, 5 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Okay.
That's all.
That's it. And of course, if you wanna get a glimpse once more of all of those events, all you have to do is simply visit the official Facebook page of the SBMA Tourism, I mean the official Facebook page of the SBMA itself. Ayan. Visit Destination Subic Bay on Facebook. Nakapost naman po lahat yan dyan. Kung ano yung mga gusto nyong salihan. Most of the events that she mentioned is open to the public naman eh. Ayan, okay. And you wanna catch it again. And of course, also, mamaya, we will be at the Mardi Gras, of course. The SBMA will be having we'll be sharing actually the stage with PAC or with Casino Filipino for day 1 of the Mardi Gras. And to tell us more about it, 2 days, yeah. Pero ngayon yung day 1. Ayan. To tell us more about it, Sir Julius.
Good morning po.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
I-clear lang natin yung mga announcements kanina, no? For the fashion show for a cause na gaganapin sa Harbor Point Ayala Malls. It's organized by True North Travel and Tours.
True North.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Then, for the end of series ng Lighthouse, it's a sailing event.
Sailing event. Okay.
Then, for the Mardi Gras, inaanyayahan po natin lahat, starting today until tomorrow sa may tapat ng PAGCOR, ng Casino Filipino Olonga po, Magsaysay Drive. Nandun po ang stage ng SBMA. We'll be playing three local
alternating
regional bands. Ayan, together with 89.5 Bay FM radio DJs.
Right.
Ayan, and we'll be having today at 8 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the evening, nandyan po yung Treetop Adventure and Subic Safari. Catch them po. May mga trivia and mga promo silang pamimigay sa public.
Ayan.
Tomorrow,
GCs ito, most probably,
GCs,
sir, yung mga gustong manalo, punta po kayo. Yan,
Then
okay.
tomorrow, at the same time, nandyan po ang Magaul Bird Park, ang Jest Camp,
okay,
and Ocean Adventure para pasayahin po kayo.
Para mamigay ulit ng mga gift certificates. And meron silang show, promo show.
Yes.
Ayan. Yung mga mahilig manood ng... Kasi ako, I watch some of the animal shows at Magaul Bird Park and it's really entertaining. Masaya,
actually,
masaya.
Lalo na yung
whenever they bring out different animals, yun, yung mga mahilig sa kahayupan, gano'n. So, I mean sa mga hayop, sorry, wrong word. Masaya. Ang galing-galing ng mga shows nila.
Additional lang DJ Tom, yung sa School of Tomorrow, ongoing na po yan and we would like to welcome them lahat, yung School of Tomorrow organizers.
Actually, I saw
having their event
here at the Subic Bay Freeport. Actually, I saw one of their events yesterday. Yung basketball tournament nila yata sa Subic Gym. That's one of it. Dumaan ako. I saw it kanina. Ayan. Okay, so anything else you would like to add, sir? Ako, in addition to the Mardi Gras, Royal Subic Mall is kind enough to sponsor our trick or treat giveaways. Bukas, day 2 of the Mardi Gras, tayo pa rin yung nandoon sa stage na yun, Ini-invite ko po kayo, dalhin nyo yung mga kids ninyo, suotan nyo sila ng Halloween costume, parang sariling trick or treat natin. Ganun lang naman yun. Dalhin nyo lang sila sa stage. It's as easy as that. Pag nakita namin silang naka-costume, meron silang treats coming from the SBMA, the SBMA Tourism 89.5, and of course, our sponsor, Royal Subic Mall. Salamat po.
Salamat sa Royal. At
trick or treat para sa mga bata.
Partner natin sila sa Royal Duty Free. Partner natin sila sa Tourism Week Celebration.
Tourism Week Celebration.
Last time.
Yeah.
And ngayon, partner nila tayo dun sa celebration nila ng anniversary nila.
Anniversary. Ayan.
At the same time, come November nga po pala, invite po namin lahat. Visit po yung ating upcoming events sa Clark. SM City Clark, ang North Philippines Tourism and Travel Fair.
Okay.
May booth po ang Subic Bay dyan at we're celebrating its 10th year in existence nung event.
Nice.
This year.
All right. Okay. Ayan. So see you guys all at the Mardi Gras later today. Fun starts at 6 p.m. And also tomorrow. Okay? 2 days po na may stage ang SBMA in front of Casino Filipino. That stage. Ayan. Kita-kits po tayo doon. 89.5 DJs are gonna be there to mix the music for you and to host it as well. And of course, yung mga locators natin na magpa-participate, salamat. The bands that we're gonna be having for today, we will be having Glee's Band, Fundamentals, Kiro Band. Ayan, tatlong back-to-back different bands to perform for your entertainment. Alright, plus special giveaways from Treetop Adventure, Subic Safari for today, and tomorrow naman Magaol Bird Park and Ocean Adventure. So see you guys there, magkita-kita po tayo. Punta lang po kayo sa harap ng Casino Filipino, yung stage doon sa harap ng Casino Filipino. Yes, sir.
Lastly, boss, baka hindi kami nagkaroon ng chance, pero I cannot mention all na. I just would like to, the SBMA Tourism family would like to thank those who supported us during the National Tourism Week celebration.
NTW.
Thank you very much.
All
It
right.
was a success, a very good success.
Definitely. Ayan. Okay. So again, we'd like to thank this three gentlemen here and one beautiful lady for sharing this beautiful piece of info sa lahat ng mga tagapakinig natin dito sa 89.5 My Subic Bay Radio. And final quick greetings for you guys. Anybody who would like to greet? Go ahead. Mga nakikinig na kasama natin sa office.
Belated happy birthday kay Ma'am Jem at saka kay Ariel na sa tourism.
Oh, happy birthday, Ma'am Jem. And si Sir Ariel. You, sir? Wala na? How about you, sir? Anybody you would like to greet?
Yes, we just like to say thank you, DJ Tom, for inviting us here.
Pleasure's ours, sir.
And next time ulit, dito kami para mag-promote ulit ng mga ibang activities.
Anytime.
Thank you very
We're all
much.
for that. Ayan. Okay, so right about now, is it time for the commercial breaks? No, we still have time for one more song. Time for our Christmas song of the hour. Here's Jingle Bell Rock from Charis Pempenko, her version of this song, our Christmas song of the hour.
And now, live
over 89.5.
Live over 89.5.
From everyone at the station, happy holidays.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock, jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring, snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun.